Welcome to Hoover Dam Lodge, your perfect blend of comfort and adventure in the heart of Nevada. Don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen for easy booking and exclusive offers. Nestled near the iconic Hoover Dam, this 4-star retreat combines breathtaking landscapes with luxurious accommodations. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle into your spacious, well-appointed room before exploring. Families will love it here. Children aged 3 to 12 stay free, making it an ideal choice for those traveling with little ones. After a day of adventure, unwind at the lodge's exquisite spa, where a menu of revitalizing treatments awaits. From soothing massages to invigorating facials, every service is designed to melt away stress. The lodge's serene atmosphere ensures you'll leave feeling refreshed and renewed. With its prime location near one of the world's engineering marvels and top-tier amenities, Hoover Dam Lodge isn't just a place to stay, it's your gateway to unforgettable memories. Ready to book your escape? Scan the QR code now to secure your stay.